At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a commercial cleaning business can be a rewarding venture, but like any business, it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Research the industry. Understand the commercial cleaning industry, including market demand, competition, and potential clients. Identify your niche, whether it's office spaces, industrial facilities, medical offices, or other sectors. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide your business decisions and attract potential investors or lenders. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Ensure you comply with local regulations and industry standards. Consider liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or damages. 4. Professionalism and reliability. Emphasize professionalism and reliability to build trust with clients. Establish clear communication channels, be punctual, and deliver high-quality services consistently. Positive word of mouth can significantly impact your business. 5. Invest in quality equipment and supplies. Purchase reliable cleaning equipment and supplies to ensure efficient and effective service delivery. Quality tools not only enhance your cleaning capabilities but also contribute to the professional image of your business. 6. Employee training and screening. If you plan to hire employees, ensure they are well trained in cleaning techniques, professionalism, and customer service. Conduct background checks to build trust with clients and safeguard your business. 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a strong online presence through a professional website and use social media platforms to showcase your services. Network with local businesses, offer promotions, and use traditional marketing methods like flyers and business cards. 8. Set clear pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the size of the space, type of cleaning required, and frequency of service. Be competitive, but ensure your prices cover your costs and provide a reasonable profit margin. 9. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to retain clients and receive positive referrals. Address customer concerns promptly and maintain open lines of communication to understand their needs and expectations. 10. Stay informed and adapt. Keep yourself informed about industry trends, new cleaning technologies, and best practices. Adapt your business strategies to meet changing market demands and stay ahead of the competition. Remember that building a successful commercial cleaning business takes time and dedication. Consistently delivering high-quality services and building strong relationships with clients will contribute to the long-term success of your venture. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.